Hey girl, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly, also known as Mbali, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how easy, convenient and delicious this wig is from AliPearl. As you guys would have seen in the beginning of the video, this is a glueless wig, and this is how the package came with all the little extras that are going to make the installation easy for me. And of course, this is the wig. It is the 18-inch curly 7x4 glueless wig, and it is pre-bleached, it's customized, it's got a natural hairline, and it is a lace wig. I did do a little bit of plucking when I first got the wig, but it's absolutely not necessary. No customization or skill is necessary when you're installing this wig. Another important thing to pay attention to when getting your wigs is the construction of the wig, and the construction of this wig is really good. You can see that is the 7x4 that I'm showing you over there, and it goes 4 ways back. Enough space for you to be able to do any type of parting that you need to do. It's got the elastic band at the back as well as the combs. You can remove these if you wish. All you really need is the elastic band at the back. Because it is adjustable, the wig will always be nice and snug on your head. I'm showing you the curls and they look absolutely delicious. I did give the hair a bit of a wash before installing. My wig is essentially nice and prepped, so I'm ready for installation. I kid you not, babe, all I did was a wash and go on this wig. I air dried it and ran a hot comb through the front of the hair just to make sure it was nice and flat, and I was ready to slap it on and go. I decided to go with a wig cap to protect my hair, and then I just placed the wig on my head and make sure that everything is laying nice and flat. And if it was not, I would just use the adjustable strap at the back to kind of tighten the wig so that it's nice and flat. Because the lace is really thin and it is invisible lace, it's really easy to make the lace blend with your foundation powder. And I am wearing makeup today and I have a bit of bronzer on my forehead, so I'm going to take some of my bronzing powder to tint the lace, as well as using concealer just to define my parts a little better. Something else I do for a nice and slick clean look, I use a bit of holding spray on my comb, and I use that to brush and comb through the fronts of my hair just to separate the strands a little better so it looks nice and slick and clean, and I do it on the sides of my part as well. And that's about it. Your wig is installed, and I'm doing a final powder check, making sure that the lace is blending in with my skin, and it looks perfect from here. I've never ever in my life thought that I would ever get to a point where I would just grab a wig and slap it on and it would look this good, as if I did a long installation process. You really don't need any skill to be able to achieve this look, which I love. The hair is about 70% dry over here, and I am continuing to air dry it so that it can get nice and dry and poofy. I'll insert some pictures of how that looks. Wig details are in the description box, as well as the direct link to AliPearl's website so that you can get this unit. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you, babe.